In this quick tip, I'm going to show you how to use sudo on Windows 11. Sudo allows you to run a command from a non-administrative command prompt with administrative privileges. It's been around on UNIX systems since the early 80s and in 2024 is now available in Windows 11. For example, here we try to rename the computer with the rename computer PowerShell command. As you can see, we can't do it because we have insufficient privileges because we launched a vanilla standard privileges command prompt session with terminal. To use sudo with Windows 11, you need version 24H2 or later. We can check what version we have by looking at the computer's properties in Explorer. If you aren't on 24H2, you'll need to upgrade to this version of Windows 11. Now that we're on the right version, we need to go to Developer Settings. Easiest way to do this is to type it into the Settings search bar. In the list of results, choose Developer Settings. In Developer Settings, scroll down until you see sudo. Switch the radio button for Enable sudo to on. When you get a warning prompt, choose Yes. Use the down arrow to change how sudo works. The default is to spawn a new window. To make it run like it does in Linux, choose the inline option. Now we've done that, we are ready to catch up to the way Linux has been doing things for decades. We open a new command prompt. We enter the command sudo PowerShell rename computer, new computer name. We get the new sudo related UAC prompt. We choose Yes, and our elevated sudo command runs. We bounce the computer, and when it's restarted, we verify that the computer has been renamed to the new name. And that's how you enable sudo on Windows 11.